For years, BYD has been the undisputed king of affordable electric mobility, conquering budget segments and humbling legacy automakers. But what happens when the king decides to build a palace? Enter the 2026 BYD Seal 08, recently unveiled as the crown jewel of their Ocean 8 dual flagship series. This vehicle is a massive departure from the standard Seal. It is a sprawling, 15-meter long, executive luxury sedan designed to stare down the Tesla Model S, the Porsche Taycan, and the Mercedes-Benz EQE by bringing next-generation battery technology and suspension. Witchcraft to the table, the Seal 08 makes its European rivals look dangerously outdated, proving BYD isn't just catching up. They are pulling rapidly ahead. Visually, the Seal 08 graduates from a sports sedan into a full-size luxury barge without losing an ounce of its sleekness. With proportions mirroring a traditional S-Class and a sprawling 3.3-meter wheelbase, its sweeping fastback silhouette hides the visual mass perfectly. The front end utilizes a closed-off aerodynamic wave nose complemented by ultra-narrow LED headlights that weave seamlessly into the bodywork, while the front air ducts feature integrated, star-like ambient lighting that pulses like a heartbeat when the car is unlocked. Even the roof-mounted LiDAR pod is cleanly integrated into the sloping glass line, acting as the digital third eye for the car's autonomous brain without ruining the vehicle's slippery aerodynamics. Underneath that beautiful skin is where BYD truly drops the hammer on the entire automotive industry. Sitting on an advanced 800-volt high-voltage architecture, the Seal 08 houses BYD's brand-new second-generation Blade lithium iron phosphate battery, promising a staggering CLTC range of over 1,000 kilometers in its most efficient spec. But the real headline is the new megawatt flash charging technology, which can theoretically add 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, barely enough time to order a coffee. When it comes to performance, the top-tier AWD variant produces a massive 644 horsepower, launching this executive suite to highway speeds in under 5 seconds. To keep all that mass controlled, traditional coil springs are replaced by BYD's proprietary DSOSA intelligent active air suspension, providing a magic carpet ride that isolates the cabin from the asphalt. Paired with rear-wheel steering, this massive yacht maneuvers with the agility of a speedboat, shrinking its turning circle for tight city parking, while remaining rock solid during high-speed lane changes. Driven by the Pilot 300 God's Eye, intelligent driving system that navigates complex intersections with minimal human intervention, the Seal 08 is a terrifying prospect for legacy luxury brands. BYD is no longer just selling cars based on value. They are selling them based on absolute, undeniable technological superiority, proving once and for all that the budget brand has successfully built a billionaire's daily driver.